How to scale your marketing with AI without hiring a single person. Are you buried in marketing tasks but can't afford to hire help? You're not alone, and the solution is simpler than you think. Scale smarter, not harder today. You'll discover how small businesses are using AI to automate marketing, boost productivity, and grow without adding a single person to the payroll. Why small businesses are turning to AI hiring. A marketer costs $60,000, $80,000 a year. An AI tool? Less than $200. Tools like Jasper and MailChimp handle the grunt work, giving you 90% savings and 10x output. AI handles the boring stuff. AI isn't here to replace creativity. It's here to crush repetitive tasks. From social posts to emails, it frees your time for high-level strategy. AI writes blogs, crafts emails, schedules social posts, and even responds to leads. Tools like Jasper, Ocoya, and SurferSEO help you triple your output without burning out. Affordable tools that work. You don't need a big budget. Jasper starts at $39, Ocoya at $15, and Tidio's chatbot is free to start. These tools scale with you. AI boosts lead generation. AI chatbots qualify leads, while Smartwriter sends hyper-personalized outreach. With tools like Instantly AI, you can fill your pipeline while you sleep. Key takeaways: 1. AI saves you money and time. 2. It automates tedious tasks. 3. It helps generate leads 24/7. 4. Affordable tools make it accessible for any business. Start transforming your business today.